So let's do this. Okay, guys. So today we're gonna be talking about. Let me move. All right. The Quantico Momentum Indicator today is the official launch. So you are here now. You are among the first ones learning about this strategy, this thing that we are doing. Okay. And what we will be showing today is the Quantico Momentum Indicator that was made more than $250,000 in just 1 year trading with only one mini contract, Nasdaq mini contract, or $10,000 margin, whatever you want to think. Now, listen, the test, everything that we did with $10,000 in one trading account. You can do with 10,000, 20,000, 100,000, million, or you can do with like $1,000, right? You can do the way you want it and with how much money you want to do it. Okay. Most of all, the most important thing is you don't give money for nothing. You keep your money with you on your bank, on your trading account. You keep control of your money all the time. That's very important to say right now, because sometimes people think they will have to give us money to trade and work with their money. No, you are going to have your own money. Doesn't matter if it is $500 or $10,000, $20,000. You keep your money all the time with you, and you have control of this thing all the time. Okay. Now we have back tested this strategy as proof. We have here, we're going to be able to show every single trade, every single loss, every single win, everything that happens. We're going to be able to show you. All right. So this is the real deal. This is the proof. Everything that you guys are going to see here is real. It's happening. During this week, we had more than 100 people testing this thing. They were trading with us, and a lot of people made a lot of money. I'm not going to be talking here crazy numbers because I don't want to scare you guys, but we had people making more than $40,000 in just 1 week. And most important is, we have here in the presentation people who actually worked with me this week, and they saw the results. So they all know that what we are doing is like the real deal, and we are only telling the truth here. Okay. Now, before we start, this is month by month this year, how this strategy, this system is going. So remember, we are always talking about one mini contract, $10,000 margin. If you have $10,000 to start this business, that's all right. If you have 5,000, you always have to imagine half of those results. If you have just 1,000, you have to imagine, just like 10% of those results. Okay. So January, we made $14,000. Okay. And that was 300 trades, something like that. You guys are going to have all this on your website. Later, you're going to have access to the website, so you're going to be able to see with your own eyes and see everything. Okay. In February, we made $24,000. In March, we made $34,000. In April, we made $17,000. In May, we made $16,000. But look at this. It was a crazy month. We started the month losing money. We lost some money, but we kept it losing, making, lost profit. And then in the middle of the month, boom, right? So that's what I'm saying. You always have to keep going with the strategy. You don't quit. You don't stop. You keep going because it's going to pay, right? So May was a difficult month, but in the end of the month, we finished with $16,000. In June, a little bit hard as well in the beginning, but we made $14,000. In July, $19,000. It was a good month. In August, like it was kind of perfect month, we did it $28,000. Now that's very impressive and very interesting. In September, we made $27,000. Very good month, but almost half of the month was hard for us. But if you keep going, if you keep the strategy, if you keep trading, you're gonna end up very, very positive. Okay, so can you imagine, like half of the month it was like hard for us, and then boom, when you see, you already have $27,000 on your account. So that's why I'm saying that here we have everything. Every single bar like this is a trade. If you see the bar going a lot down, it's because we are losing a lot of money. If you see the bar like a short bar, it's because we are making money, right? So we have here every single trade, and we can see how the money went through all this month, okay? So in the end of this, the whole thing, this year, only in 2023, we made $198,000, okay? That was up to September. October, we are making a lot of money, but so far we made all this money this year up to the last day of September, okay? And again, you will have access to this strategy, to everything. You will be able to back test and see yourself the results day by day if you want it. If you have the time, you're going to be able to back test and see the strategy working every single day during this year, trade by trade, everything that's happening, you're going to be able to see during the whole year, 5,000 trades. You're going to be able to see which one was a good trade, bad trade, and everything, okay? And you're going to be able to see that this is the money you would be making right now if you started in January 1st this year, okay? Cool. Now, this is 1 year back test, okay? This back test is for 1st of October 2022 up to September 30, like 1 year back testing, okay? 1 year back testing, we made $259,000 over to 5,000 trades. We got like 41% good trades, all right? And almost 60% bad trades. The profit factor here is 1.4, which is amazing, okay? And the max drawdown, like the max hard time that we had was like losing $6,000. But that doesn't mean that you start trading today and you went $6,000 down and then you made a lot of money. That means that, I don't know, maybe here you had $100,000 on your account and then we went a little bit down. Probably here that was the worst time, right? So here you already had probably $20,000 on your account, and then you lost $6,000, and then you recovered, and then it was all happiness during the whole year. But in the end of the day, you can see that you never had your account on the red during this whole year trading. Okay, guys, right? Right. So this is it. Later, we're going to be talking more about this. You're going to be able to see with your own eyes. But this is it. Every single trade, everything that we are doing, we have here a report, let's say, a proof, and you guys can trust. And again, we had more than 100 people trusting this thing this week, and they made a lot of money. We had one guy with $10,000 on his account, and on this first week, he actually made another $8,000. I can show you guys proof anytime you want it, but this is it. This is happening, okay? So today we are going to go over to why trading, how we create our trading system, about the indicator, about the platform, about the business opportunity, and then Q&A as long as it takes, okay? So before we start, my name is Erick Salgado. I was born and raised in São Paulo, Brazil. As you can see, I'm not American. My English is like a terrible English, but I will try my best. I arrived in the United States in 2008, and it's yellow here because if you remember, 2008 was one of the worst years for the American economy, right? So I arrived here in the land of opportunity with my wife, my son Arthur, and 5 pieces of luggage, and no speaking English at all. I started a company to build websites. Long story short, this company became Builderall.com, the most complete digital marketing platform in the world, with customers in more than 100 countries. And then later, I sold this company for millions of dollars, and then I invested in technology for financial markets. I built a team of Quantico programmers, mathematicians, financial analysts to create the Quantico Momentum Indicator and Quantico Cap system, right? So this is like a kind of my quick story. And this is what we have today, and this is what we are going to be showing you guys. So why trading? Guys, as long as I know, I'm not the smartest guy in the world, but like this is what I know, okay? You have 3 ways to make big money. One is real estate. So you need a lot of capital, discipline, network, and etc. It's not so easy. Second way to make big money is entrepreneurship. So you need discipline, and you must be awesome and have some luck, because again, it's not easy, right? And then the third way that I know to make money is financial market. You need discipline and assistant to follow. Now, I think this is better, because here you need money and discipline. Here you need money, discipline, lucky, and be awesome. And here you just need discipline and assistant to follow. So I think this could be a reality for a lot of people. Now, why day trading? Because you don't have to sell anything. You don't have to build an inventory. You don't have to convince anyone of nothing. You don't have to talk to anyone. You have geographic freedom. You can manage your time. You can scale by a lot. Like really, if you have $10,000, go for it. If you have $1,000, go for it. If you have $500, go for it, because your 500, we're going to turn in 1,000, 2,000, 4,000, 8,000, and that's going to grow. Okay. Now, economy is good, great. Economy is bad, great. The only problem in this whole thing could be you. And why is that? Because you got to have discipline. If you have discipline and assistant to follow, you're going to make money. That's simple like this. Okay. Now, discipline is up to you. Either you have or not, or you will have to build, right? And assistant to follow, this is what we're gonna show you today, okay? Okay, so what is day trading? Is the possibility to control some shares of some assets during a period of time. That's it. So example, you buy the control of 20 shares of Nasdaq index for $50,000 each. Right? So listen, you don't have to have this $15,000. And this is going to be a little bit technical, but just for you to understand, okay? You don't have to have $15,000 times 20. You don't have to get like $300,000 on your account, because you are not buying the shares. You are buying the control of those shares, all right? And it's like way cheaper to buy the control, because you are kind of borrowing the shares, okay? So one mini contract, everything that we are talking here, every single number that we are showing you, it means that we are working with one mini contract, and you gotta have $10,000 in margin, right, on your account to be able to control 20 shares. So we buy the control of 20 shares of Nasdaq, okay? Then each share costs $15,000. That's the price of Nasdaq today. So what are you going to do? You're going to wait for the price to increase by 1%. So instead of $15,000, it's going to cost $15,150 each share. And then that's it. You're going to sell the control back, all right, of the 20 shares for $15,150 each. Now, what you're doing, you are making $150 times 20, $3,000. And a lot of times you're going to be able to do that during one day, okay? The only thing is you have to know if the Nasdaq is going to go up or is going to go down, okay? And this is how we are going to help you. So Nasdaq is an American stock market index that represents a diverse basket of companies primarily focused in technology, pharmaceuticals, retails, and other industries, okay? So this is pretty much a box where we can see all Nasdaq companies. That was Friday. If you see the markets, Friday, the markets went down. Like Nasdaq lost 1%, 1.5% of its value on Friday. And then you're going to think, so you lost a lot of money? No, we made a lot of money because we bought the shares against the market. We knew it, that Nasdaq was going down, and then we sold the shares. We got the control, and then we sold the shares. In the end of the day, we had people making $10,000, $3,000, $1,000. A lot of people made a lot of money. Again, if the market goes up, you make money. If the market goes down, you lose money. Now you may be thinking, oh my God, this is crazy. I'm not going to understand it. This is so complicated, so technical. Relax, because it's all about we making the system simple for you. It's pretty much, we're going to show you how to create your account. how to be ready to trade, and to press the buy and sell button on the right time, and you're going to be able to make money. We have all the technology, we have the analysts, we have the Quantico programmers, we have everything that we need just to tell you, hey, this is a good moment to buy, hey, this is a good moment to sell. And if you follow the strategy, you're going to make a lot of money, which is pretty easy. Okay, now some people say, but is the stock market solid or trustful thing? Like, can I actually trust the stock market? Because, some people say that they lost money on the stock market and blah, 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 and all those things, right? Right, we can understand that. But like, this is the most real thing on your life right now. Those companies, they are part of our life. If you want it or doesn't matter, they are there. This is solid, and this is something that you can trust, because it's not going to go down, it's not going to vanish. It's something that we can actually build our life around those companies, and that's what I'm telling you to do. The idea here is to have you starting working with us. In a few months, you're going to quit everything that you are doing, and you're going to focus 100% of the time on that. This is going to be your business. That's not a side hustle. It's going to be your business. And you're going to be making or creating or building your business around those companies. And then, is this like a real thing? So now I'm going to ask Arthur to read this. His English is better, because it's going to be crap if I read this. Arthur, can you please read this thing for us?
Yes. So I wake up and check my Apple iPhone for any notifications. I brush my teeth with toothpaste from Colgate Palmolive, dress in a shirt and jeans from Levi Strauss, and put on Nike shoes. I feed my pet with food from Purina I bought at Petco. I have breakfast, including a bowl of cereal from General Mills and a glass of milk from Nestle. I commute to work in my Ford or Tesla, or I can just call an Uber. Throughout the day, I use a Dell laptop powered by Intel and Microsoft software. Grab a coffee from Starbucks during a break, use products from 3M for office supplies, attend a Zoom meeting while wearing a watch from Apple or Fitbit, have lunch, which might include a sandwich from Subway or McDonald's. On my way back home, I stop to purchase some medicine from Walgreens or CVS, purchase some items from Amazon or Walmart for my house, have dinner including groceries from Kroger and a Budweiser from Anheuser-Busch, watch a movie or show on Netflix or Disney Plus, wind down by playing video games on a console from Sony or Microsoft. Before bed, I might read a book published by Penguin Random House or HarperCollins. I purchase some travel essentials from TripAdvisor for an upcoming trip, plan my next vacation using services from Expedia or Booking Holdings, book a flight with Delta Airlines or American Airlines for my upcoming trip, and then again, brush my teeth with toothpaste from Colgate Palmolive and set my Alphabet Google powered alarm for the next day.
Oops, sorry. So I was saying, do you really believe that like Nasdaq is not part of your life already? Like everything that's happening on your life, it's happening around those things, right? So it is the real deal. Okay, so you can actually build your business around Nasdaq. And man, I'm telling you, a lot of people making a lot of money, and that's real. And we saw this thing during this week. Everybody's happy, and it's happening. It is happening. Okay, now let's continue. How we created our trading system. So we have been working on this strategy for more than 18 months now. We have tried and backtested everything available, like every single indicator, every single strategy, every single thing that you can imagine. I bought every single course because I was determined in find a way to be profitable on day trading. Okay, so we have created hundreds of strategies with regular indicators. All the indicators available tells you what just happened. No indicator is going to tell you what's going to possibly happen. And that's the truth, okay? So every single indicator that you have on your screen is just telling you what just happened. They're not going to tell you what may happen next. And you can just figure it out because you saw that in the past something happened, all right? So until we figure it out, it's not about the charts, it's about what moves the charts, okay? So we went after the 20 outside factors that move Nasdaq, and we compiled the most 10 important factors in one indicator, right? And with this, we have the momentum strategy. Now listen, I don't care about what's happening on your charts right now. What I do care is what's happening in the world that's going to move Nasdaq. And this is how our indicator works. So you see those guys in Wall Street, they are trading here, and they have a lot of screens watching a lot of stuff. Exactly. Because if this guy is trading here, he needs to know what's happening on this company, the other company, the dollar, the euro, or the gold, the oil. He has to know what's going on with interest the rates and a lot of things. He has to watch everything, and then watching and understanding everything, he's going to be able to take a decision, right? So they don't have like 10 monitors just because it's fun or it's cool. They have 10 monitors because they have to be watching 10 different things to be able to take a decision to see if the market is going to go down or up, okay? So what we did with this indicator was transform this into this. That's it. That's how you are going to trade with us. You're going to have this screen right here, which is a financial analyst giving you some tips and advices of what's going to go, and also the indicator right here telling you this is time to buy, this is time to sell, buy, sell, stop, buy, sell, take profit, and boom, and that's it. Okay, now by the way, this is a real screen share of what was happening on Friday, and I guess you have more than $1,000 here. We're gonna have the opportunity to see that in a bigger screen. But what I mean is, you see all those 10 screens here giving you 10 different informations for you to take a decision. This is what we have here on our indicator. We have 10 boxes, and once those 10 boxes are green, we buy. All the 10 boxes are red, we sell. And then the system is going to tell you when to stop, when to take a loss, or when to take a win, when to take a profit, and everything. Okay, so you're going to understand this thing later. I'm just showing you what is behind the indicator. Okay, cool. Now, about the momentum indicator, exclusive. You won't find this thing anywhere else because it's not about the charts. Everybody is working to create something that works in the chart. We are creating something that works in the whole thing. So that's why we only Quantico Cap has this indicator, okay? The indicator gives you the momentum. Momentum is like the time that the market is moving. It's going to move. It's going to do something, right? Then we're going to give you the momentum to buy or sell Nasdaq. And this thing only works on Nasdaq. Now, you are trading petrol, you are trading Forex, you are trading something else. Is the indicator going to work for you? No, this indicator is not going to work for you because, again, it's not about what's happening on your screen. It's about of what's happening behind the scenes. Only works with Nasdaq. But the most important thing is it works very well, right? You will have the stop loss on the screen. You will know the risk before taking the trade. For example, if you have a buy signal, you will know that if that goes wrong, you're going to lose $100. But if that goes good, you're going to make a lot of money. You're going to know that before taking the trade, right? The indicator has 10 boxes, just like I showed it. And this indicator is /strategy, so you can backtest many ways and choose what is the best for you. So what I'm saying here is we are able to backtest the indicator, and actually we can do this live right now. I'm gonna open my TradingView account, which, by the way, for now you need a TradingView account to see the indicator. We are working really hard to, in about 10 days, we're going to have the indicator on our own dashboard. You're not going to need TradingView anymore. But right now, you still need TradingView. So with my TradingView, I'm going to go to Nasdaq, NADX, all right, Nasdaq. Okay, now you know what, I'm going to just open the NADX chart that I already have here. Okay, good. So that was my trading for the last section. Okay, Quantico Momentum V3. Okay, so I have Nasdaq NDX. That's the chart right here. Let me bring those guys better to the screen. Let me put 1 minute candles. Okay, so this is Nasdaq, right? I don't want to be very technical here because we have all the tutorials and everything. Okay, but as you can see, you are trading Nasdaq and then suddenly, boom, you have a sell signal. You sell Nasdaq right here. Your stop loss is here. And then boom, 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 making money, making money, making money. Market is coming back, boom, stop. So you made here, just on this trade, you were able to make about 16 points. And then with 1 mini contract, you would be making $300, about $300 just on this one, like in a few minutes. Okay. And then you have other signals. You had this one, which gave you a buy signal, and then you got stopped. So you lost money here. But right after, you got another one, and boom, and you made a lot of money here, and boom, made a lot of money here, right? So in the end of the day, let me see. Let's just talk about Friday, October the 23, Friday. Okay, so we were trading from 9:30, the time that market opens, until 12, like lunch break. We came back at 1 and traded again the afternoon up to 4, right? That's the configurations of the indicator. And here we can see that only Friday we made $2,700 with 21 trades, 61% profitable, 2-point amazing 4% profit factor. And the most, like the worst time in a day, we were losing $600. Okay, so that's real. Eric, come on, it's really real. Yes, let's see the trades. So you can see here, list of trades. You can see every single trade of the day. So first trade, it was $9.50. We made it $300. And then at 10:11, we lost 181. And then at 10:16, we lost almost 400. And then at 10:23, we made 500. 10:43, we made 200, and then we made, lost, made, lost, made, lost, boom, 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 boom. That goes trade by trade. You end up the day with $2,000 and $2,700 trade by trade. Okay, all right, Eric. But okay, that was lucky. We were talking about Friday, but show me what happened during the whole month of October. So let's select 2nd of October and run the back test and see. Okay, if you are trading this strategy in only October with 1 mini contract, you would be making right now $25,000, all right, with 300 trades. Is that a good enough for you? I think so. And we have here trade by trade, every single loss, every single win, everything. For example, here you had a bad moment, loss, and then loss, and loss. Oh my God, a lot of losses. What? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, now, are you a disciplined guy? You know what you're doing? Is that okay? Because you are losing money, but you still have 13,000 on your account. 13,000 profit. If you had 10,000, now we are talking about $23,000. So you made a lot of money and you lost, and then suddenly, boom, you start making money. On this trade, you already made $1,000 in one trade, right? And then what really matters is you keep going, and in the end of the month, you would have $25,000. Not good enough for you? That's all right. I can understand. Let's see what would be in September. Let's do this live. September, from 1st of September until now, $53,000. Now you show me right now an online business that you can start making money tomorrow. Not tomorrow because it's Sunday, but you can start making money on Monday better than this. Okay, now listen, this is very important. We started, and on the trainings, we talk about a lot of the plateaus. Like you start trading and you made 1, 2, money, lost money, keep trading. And then listen, after 133 trades, that could be like 1 week. Let's call this a bad week. And then you actually start making money. and then boom. So if you are brave enough to hold your ground, know what you're doing, follow the strategy, keep doing 100 trades, and you are patient, because like you are making money, losing money, you are not actually losing money, it's just like a small loss, right? But you keep it going, you make money, lose money, you make money, lose, you don't break even. Let's say you don't break through. Okay, actually you are break even all the time, but you don't break through. Keep it going, and then suddenly boof, you are like with $53,000. Not good enough. Okay, that's all right. Let's do a whole year. Let's do a whole year. Let's put this 1st of October 2002. Okay, now you see you don't have the whole October. It goes up to 8th of August 2003. To have like a bigger backtest, we have to click here on deep backtesting. You have that if you have a pro account, premium account on TradingView. I'm gonna click deep backtesting, and then I have the date here, 1 of October up to 21st, like today. Generate report and see what's gonna happen. 1 year being disciplined, $300,000. And that was it. And you never, like for a few days, but after a few days, you never became negative on your bank account, and never more. $300,000, 4,800 trades. The maximum drawn down, like the maximum that your account went down, like for example here, you are right here, and you are losing money, your account went down, and then you recover. Like the maximum drawdown that you had was $5,000, but come on, right? And now you have $3,000. Now, if I'm doing that with 10 trades, like one day, you could say, okay, this is lucky. But after 4,000 trades, that's not lucky. That's like a system that actually works and you can trust. Okay, cool. Now we are already back testing. You're gonna have this tool to back test yourself, so you can examine. For example, let's do right now. I'm taking a break here on the lunch. But let's say you're just gonna do in one section, and you are not taking a break. You're gonna go straight. Like, Eric, I don't wanna eat. I just wanna make money. I am a machine. So let's put this thing up to like the whole market. You don't take a break. Let's see if you are a machine, what is the difference? If you are a machine, maybe you're losing money. I don't know. Let's see that right now. You are trading on lunchtime, nothing happens on lunchtime. No, because you are a machine and you don't give a break, you made $342,000 in 1 year with 5,600 trades. Come on, man! Like really, yeah, really, you can go trade by trade in this thing, like it's huge. Right? But you can do trade by trade and see everything that happened. Like this is it. This is what we have. This is what we are doing, and this is what we have to share with you today. Okay, cool. Now go back to the presentation about the volatility line. So you see here on the chart. No, we don't have on this one, but we also have this indicator we're gonna give to you. The volatility lines indicator. All right. So what is the volatility lines indicator? Those are some lines that you are going to put on your chart. So it's going to help you to take a decision of keep trading or exit a trade, because this is something that we spent a lot of money and a lot of time to find the perfect Nasdaq volatility for intraday trading. All right. So you guys remember, I told you guys in the past, in the tutorials, that Nasdaq moves 1.4 and 1.5 a day in average, right? Right. So let's see Friday. What happened Friday? You have here Nasdaq losing 1.5. So Nasdaq actually moved 1.5 on Friday. Okay. So we know how much Nasdaq moves in a day. But doesn't matter. I want to know what's happening during the day. And then we found the perfect volatility lines. So if you are trading here and you see when the price reaches one of those lines, probably is going to bounce if the movement is not strong. And we're going to tell you that's an uptrend, downtrend, or something like that. But you know that if you are on this trade, for example, you buy here, and here you can just stop. because probably it's going to go back, and boom, it came back, and then it broke it. You can stop again. You stop here, you put all this money on your pocket, and this thing is going to come back. All right. So now it's a down trade. Touch it here, you can stop the sell because it's going to go back. Stop the sell, it's going to go back. And you see something happens on those lines. And that's the perfect volatility line for Nasdaq. It's going to help you when you are trading after 1 month, 2 months. You're going to be understanding everything around the charts. So it's going to help you a lot. And that's a very expensive indicator, and we're gonna give to you today. All right. Okay, now we have the long-term investors feed. What is the long-term investors feed? If you're not up to like day trading and you want to like just put your money and forget about, we have also on the same dashboard, you're also going to get this a bot that's going to go over 14,000 stocks, indexes, forex pairs, and everything every day. And this is going to tell you what is the max and minimum on weekly, bi-monthly, yearly, or historical. So you can buy and hold. So for example, you are going to be here on your dashboard. Let me do quanticocap.com. I'm going to go on my dashboard. Right. So here you have tutorials, you have the feed analyst, something that we are going to use as we are trading. We have the meeting happening right now, but also we're going to have weekly meetings to talk about the market. So you're going to understand every day more and more and more. Affiliate area, the Discord channel that it's super fun because we trade and we are here all the day talking and helping each other. And then this is the investors feed. So once you click here, you're going to know, you're going to select how you want to receive the data: historical, yearly, monthly, or weekly, right? So let's say I'm going to have historical, and then the system is going to send me on my Telegram when something is going really, really down. For example, I got the CVS or Walgreens. Let me see if it was Walgreens. No, I guess it was CVS. CVS. Those days I got CVS. Yes, look at this. CVS, I'm going to put it on the daily chart. So we're going to see the whole year. Let me check this indicator. And now you are seeing CVS, right? Listen, this is CVS. Okay, now this is 2020, and then here we have 2022, and then when this thing reached here, like a historical, the cheapest price in the year, I got a signal, and then I bought it, and then I made some money because I hold it for a few days. So this is just an example. You can do like a yen, dollar against yen, or a yen against the dollar. Same thing. Look this. Look this. I'm getting notifications of the yen like every day. Now we are talking about 2015. And man, this is like going down. It's really going down. When this thing got here, I bought it, right? And then, no, not here. Here. I bought it here because it was the lowest, historical lowest here. I bought it here and I made a lot of money here. Only this thing here made me $2,000. Right? And then I sold again, and then I'm still waiting to buy again. Okay. So that's for like long-term investors. You don't have to do that, but it doesn't matter. It's nice to see that you have this thing there. Okay. So you have the Quantico momentum, which is like the holy grail, right? You have the volatility lines, which is going to help you, and you have the long-term investors feed if you are interested in investing long-term, but most of us are not interested in that. Doesn't matter. It's there. Okay, cool. Now, the analyst feed, that's something that you have on your dashboard. That's it. This is this thing right here, right? So you are trading with the indicator and the analyst feed, right? And then the analyst feed is going to help you a lot. Now, this is the most important part of the dashboard, but it's optional. You don't have to use it. You can use it if you want it, but you don't have to, right? You don't have to use the analyst feed, but you can try to use and see if you can get better results than the moment indicator. We like to play this game, beat the indicator, okay? The indicator is making a lot of money, but we are always trying to do better. So with the analyst, we have a lot of information that's going to help us to do better, right? But for example, you're going to see something like that on your screen. So now the analyst is telling you the max of the day would be 15,225. The minimum 15,238. Okay, that's no, that's the maximum all the money, and that's the minimum all the money. So you know where the price is gonna go and bounce, or you know where the price is gonna be and die. It's gonna be there for the rest of the day. So you have those informations. Okay, now the indicator, the analyst is gonna give you like every half an hour or every 20 minutes or 5 minutes, depending how the market's moving, something like that. Most likely market direction, downtrend. So you know the market's going down. It's trend of the direction, strong sell. So it is really going down. And how do I know that it's gonna still keep going? Because you have the target. Sorry, you have the target. So you know that this thing is gonna go up to 15,000. So when he gave you this information, the price was 15,289. And he told you it's really going down. It's going down strong, and it's going to stop at 15,011. We are talking about more than 200 points here. With one mini contract, we are talking about $4,000 here, right? And I remember like it was yesterday, this day was really good, and actually the market hit the target. Almost every day, the market's hitting the target. So why this is so important? Because during the day, if you have a strong sell, and then the indicator gives you something like a buy sell right here, boom, it's going down, it's going down, it's going down. And then suddenly you have this buy sell here. You don't buy, you wait for another sell, because probably it's just a pullback. All right. So you can use it or you cannot use it. It's up to you, but it's there. It's like a super cool, because the analyst is a real guy watching the markets, watching a lot of information and giving you the information for what's going to happen. All right. And that's priceless. Okay, cool. Now, are people really going to make money? So I made this thing so you can realize, oh, I'm losing money. The indicator does not work for me. Eric is a mother. Stop messing around and just follow the indicator. Stick with the strategy, all right? So it's all about discipline, consistency, and risk management. Okay. The indicator works. The market will give and take back money. The discipline and consistency will make you profitable. And that's it. Just like I showed you, we had in September 100 trades that we made until we start making money. If you have the discipline, the consistency, and you know what you're doing and you keep going, you're going to make money. All right. It's important to see and be aware of the plateaus. It's just like I showed you. All right. So you have some plateaus. You stay like 1 week without making any money. And then boom, when you see another $10,000 on your account. All right. All right. Now let's talk about the business opportunity. So this is the product. All right. All right. Now, besides the product, when you join Quantico Cap, you are also working with us in our business opportunity. Quantico Cap Momentum Indicator will sell like crazy, because it works and people are buying and they are making money on the next day. Listen, I worked with Builderall for 10 years. I know what I'm talking. I saw a lot of entrepreneurs. I saw a lot of launches, projects online. It doesn't happen. People don't go online and make money on the very next day. It doesn't happen. I never saw this before, but now it happened. It's happening. So people buy the indicator, they create their trade accounts, they try for 1 or 2 days, and then boom, they are making money very next day, right? So this thing is going to happen because it is a money-making machine. It's a miracle. It's a scam. No, you have your money under your control all the time. You work with as much money as you can. $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 is up to you. You have the control of your money, right? The indicator is actually a Quantico formula created by a huge team and a lot of money to give you the perfect time to buy or sell. The indicator is looking of what's happening on Apple, Microsoft, interest, dollar, euro, and titles of the government, and a lot of things happening on the market. So it's going to give you the right information to buy. It's not a miracle. It's not like anything crazy. It's just technology, Quantico knowledge, mathematicians, and everything. Okay. Now, this thing is going to sell. if you think about, this is the best product you can promote. If you are working online and promoting stuff, probably the best thing you can promote is something that people are actually going to make from 1,000 to 5,000 a month or more. I'm not telling you that it's going to make $10,000 because maybe I can scare you. But man, as you saw right in the beginning of the presentation here, there is no month that you made it $10,000. It's always more, right? So I'm not promising $10,000, but well, you will be making more. Okay, cool. Now, it's pretty much plug and play. Anyone can do it. Anyone can do it. Follow the indicator and you will make money. We are talking about changing lives of a lot of families. Can you imagine, like, if you have a formula, if you have something that a family can make another $3,000 a month, can you imagine how you can change some lives in the world? And then if you join now as a member, you're also going to be an affiliate, and we have a very special marketing material to promote this thing and also your results. The best thing to bring people to work with us is to show your results. If you started right now and Monday, you ended the day with $500 on your account, that's all the material you need to promote this thing. But you're also going to have a very special material, okay? Now, affiliate / member. Affiliate member is going to use the product and is going to promote the product with a very special commission system. We are paying recurring commission system of 20% direct sales and also 20% second tier sales. And that's it. Payments every 15 days, and that's our business opportunity. If you want to know more about the business opportunity, you can go anytime to quanticocap.com/business opportunity. There is a little dash here, /business-opportunity. You can just read the whole thing, the whole proposal. You can figure out that I have a lot of knowledge in running a business opportunity. I did that with Builderall, and I paid millions of dollars in commissions, right? So I know what I'm doing. And then you have this thing right now. Okay, cool. The price of the whole system, the price to join us on the dashboard. Let me put here dashboard. No. Quantico Cap, members area, dashboard. Okay, the price to access the whole thing, the tutorials, the analyst feed, which you are going to use every day, the be part of the weekly meetings, have the long-term investors, have the affiliate system giving you commissions in 2 levels, right? Be part of the Discord channel, and most of all, have the indicator working on your TradingView and be part of this group making a lot of money, is going to be $200. That's it, $200. Now, if you go to Quantico Cap, you don't have to do that because you already have all the information, but /home, this is our home page. All right, here you have all the information, everything that I just talked, you have it here. And then in the end of the page, you have the price, $200. You don't have to go back to the home page to subscribe because you are already inside our dashboard. You are already here, right? So probably the only thing that you're going to do is you have this page on your computer, right? You are right here watching the webinar. Just get to this page, click on this button, back to the dashboard, and here you will see the card to upgrade your account, pay $200 a month, and be part of this thing, which I'm telling you, probably you're going to be able to make those $200 like on the very first day, okay? Cool. Now, I'm just going to stop sharing the screen. If I can find the button, yes, share it, stop sharing. Here we are. And this is it. That was the presentation. I hope you guys join us. I'm telling you, you're going to be able to make money as soon as you put together your trading account. Now, I don't want to touch our money. Okay, you have $1,000, $500, $10,000. You open your trading account, you put your money on your trading account, you work with your own money. The money is the margin for you to buy the control of those contracts, right? So you work with your own money. We're going to tell you, buy now, sell now, stop now, take this loss. Okay, buy now again. Stop right now, put the money in your pocket, it's profit. Okay, that was it for today. Now let's go be happy, and that's it. Super easy. Okay, guys, so that was it. If you wanna join right now, you go back to your dashboard, you upgrade your account, and then if you are going to promote or gonna bring someone to the business, you can just come here to, let me show you this. Let me show you, share screen again, boom. And when you buy, you're gonna come to a screen where you're gonna have to give you the trading view username, so I can give you access to the indicator, right? So trading view, you open your trading view account. Once you open your trading view account, you click here on your name, and then Quantico Cap, for example, it's my case, it's my username. So once you open your account on TradingView, it's very important that you get this name, okay? Go back to your panel, right? And then it's gonna be asking for your TradingView info that you can find right here. So you put here your username and here your TradingView email, okay? So the TradingView username you're gonna find here on TradingView, on this icon here. That's your username. That's the name you're gonna put here. That's your first step. The first thing that you're gonna do. You pay, and after you pay, you're gonna come to this page. Forget about this page, go to TradingView, open your account on TradingView. You will need, that's very important to know, you will need account and billing, let me show you. You will need to buy a plan on TradingView, right? So which plan you can buy? You can buy the essential, the cheapest one. You just need to have a paid account. Now you select it here, always no professional, because you're not going to be working for a company. You're not going to be working for like with other people's money. It's just for you. So we are no professional. Select monthly, right? Monthly, and then you're going to pay $14 a month to have the essential plan. Go to TradingView, open your account, essential plan, pay $14.90 a month, and this is just like 1 point of Nasdaq. Every point you make on Nasdaq is $20. So this is gonna go on your, like a, when you wake up in the morning and you take a piece, like $14 is gonna go on your piece. Like, don't worry about it. It's just like 1 point on Nasdaq, right? So buy your essential plan. Once you have your account okay, you have the name and everything, you go back and you put the name here, right? And then watch the tutorials, super important. Watch the tutorials. They are not that much. That's it. That's all the tutorials you have, and they are super fast. But watch the tutorials, put everything together. Monday, you're gonna be able to trade and make money. I promise you. Monday, you're gonna make money. All right. And then if you want to promote and bring someone, you go to affiliate area, because every member is an affiliate already, right? And then that's your link. People will feel like, hey, my link is kind of weird. I have like an equals signal in the end. That's all right. Because it's encrypted, right? So that's your link. You just copy this thing, boom, and give to your friends, boom. And once they subscribe under your link, they're going to be connected to your accounts. And then forever, as long as they are trading and making money and paying Quantico Cap, you're going to make $40 commissions. All right. Okay. Here, Alan Santos da Silva paid and make me $40. That's the commission of an affiliate. All right. Now, listen, you don't have to be an affiliate. You don't have to promote this thing to make money. Like, it's okay. It's just a business opportunity to make money with us, because we are selling like crazy. This thing is growing. It's awesome. Everybody wants. So you can promote and make money. But you really have to promote to make money? No. You just buy this thing, follow the signals, trade, and make money. You can make money every day, just by using the product. But if you want to make some more recurring income, you can promote to be part of the family and make money with us. All right. So that's it. I'm done. Now, Arthur, tell me, first question.
There's no questions that really need to be answered because I'm doing my best to answer them now.
But
Um,
doesn't matter if somebody asks a question and you answer, it's okay. Now, if you feel like we have important questions that everybody should know or hear the answer, let me know and I can tell everybody.
yeah, so the first one would be, what is the minimum amount possible to get started with?
I have to say, if you are in the United States, that would be $1,000 because you have to trade futures and you need more margin. If you are in the United States, that would be $1,000 to start as a margin account. If you are outside the United States, then you can trade CFDs and then you can start with $100.
Okay, the next one is, what if you're a complete beginner and you don't know anything about trading?
So you are perfect because you're not gonna have any back stuff, back knowledge to mess it up with your trading, right? If you are a totally beginner, what you're gonna do is you're gonna watch the tutorials. You're gonna have to create the TradingView account. You're gonna have to create your trading account, and that's up to you. You're gonna choose your broker. You're gonna choose who is going to be your trading account, right? So you put together your trading account. You configure the indicator on TradingView, and that's it. That's the learning curve you need. Okay, open your trading account, and you're gonna have a lot of help to do that because every single broker they have tutorials and everything. So choose one and open your trading account. Create a trading view account, which is super easy, but anyways, we have tutorials here. Connect everything, and that's it. Monday, you are trading. If you have a buy signal, you buy. If you have a sell signal, you sell. But every day before starting, we are the market opens at 9:30. Every day at 9, we do 15-20 minutes meeting just to make sure everybody has the indicator, everybody has all the screens okay. We just go a quick talk about the market and everything, and boom. And anyway, every week we're gonna do a meeting with everybody and answer all the questions because I know people are going to have questions during the week and all those things. So we always gonna help you guys. But again, there is no learning curve. If you can see a sign buy and you can press the button buy, if you can see stop, you press the button stop. You see sell, you press the button sell, you have everything that you need to start trading. All right.
The next question is, can free members also refer others and make affiliate money?
Yes. The free members, if you are registered for the webinar, you already have an account. It's a free account. You can still go to affiliate area. You can still grab a link and you can still bring people to work with us. All right. The only difference is if you are a free member, you make the 20% bonus recurring on your direct sales. You don't have the second tier, which is amazing. Okay. Only paid members has access to the second tier.
The next one is, what about taxes to pay in the US and in our other countries?
I can tell you about taxes in other countries, right? In US, like you're gonna be working, you're gonna make money. In the end of the year, you're gonna tell son, uncle, son, how much money you made, and you're gonna pay taxes like any regular income. That would be around 20-25% taxes, right? But again, it's nothing different. If you are working, you are making money, you just like go in the end of the year, you tell the government how much money you made, you tell the government how much money you spent in order to make the money, and you pay taxes over your profits. That's simple like this. Everybody's paying around 20, 22, 20 something on their like pure profits.
The next one is, how do we risk management for our trades?
Like this strategy is going to help you with that, right? So you don't have to worry about it. The only thing that you have to worry about is when I'm telling you, if you have $10,000, you work with one mini contract. If you have $1,000, you work with one micro contract. If you have $5,000, you work with 5 micro contracts. That's the only thing you're going to have to worry about risk, because the strategy is going to tell, stop this trade, take profit right now. stop trading today. The strategy is going to help you to manage the risk as you are trading. The only thing that you have to figure out is how many contracts you are going to be trading according to your margin, and that's it. $20,000, one mini contract. $1,000, one micro contract, and then you do the math and you keep going.
The next one is, that seems like a lot of trades to take daily. Is there some method we can use to determine the trades with the best chance of profit?
Yes, we are talking about 20 trades a day. That's the average, 20 trades a day. The strategy is going to give you about 20 trades a day, but it's going to tell you buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Now, the analyst that you have the panel right there with the analyst is going to tell you, hey, it is a sideways day and everything's neutral. So what you can do is you don't trade. You just wait for the day to become up trade, down trade, or whatever. Now, if the trader, the analyst tells you it is a uptrend, we have a strong sell or a strong buy, then you only take buy trades or long trades. If the analyst tells you it's a selling day and the target it's way below, you just go for the short signals. You don't trade buy signals, all right? So it is a way that you can filter some signals, right? But it's up to you. But again, the strategy is going to give you around 20 trades a day. And some trades, you don't think that's going to like be a big trade. And then when you see, boom, the trade, you made $1,000 in one trade that you were not expecting. All right. So it's up to you.
The next one is, if I'm working full time and I don't have a really flexible job, can I do 30 minutes to trade here and there throughout the day?
Yes, you can do that. Better would be for you to do at least 1 hour a day. 1 hour a day is something that's you're gonna be making enough money. I'm gonna show you how an example of that. Right, that's a very good question. So let me open here again, and then I'm gonna share the screen with you guys. Where is it? Cancel. Let me cancel. Now I can't cancel. Okay. Right. Let me share my screen with you guys again. Where are you guys? Oh, here we go. But that's a very good question. Now, you guys can see my screen, right? So let's go to TradingView here. TradingView, okay? And then I'm going to back test 1 hour a day so we can see what's going on. So let's say you are going to trade, for example, from 10 to 11 Eastern time, right? So now you see that actually Friday, you just made 5 trades and you made $400, right? Now let's see how would you be making in a whole year trading 1 hour a day. You're not going to make that much money, of course, because we are trading 1 hour a day. But let's see. 1 hour a day would give you 700 trades after 1 year, 46% profitable, and $44,000. We are talking about 1 hour a day. You are trading from 10 to 11. Okay, that's just an example. I can't backtest like half an hour during the day or whatever it is, but I can give you an idea how much money you can make 1 hour a day. For example, we don't trade during the lunchtime, but let's say that's the only time that you have. You want to trade during the lunchtime, right? Let's say that's the only time you have, and I'm telling you, that's the worst time in the day to be trading. But let's see if you are trading only on lunchtime. You would be making $34,000, 800 trades. So you see, it's not that good because before you had 46%. Now you are up to 37%, but you're still making $34,000 trading just 1 hour a day in the worst hour possible, which is lunchtime. All right. Okay, guys, again, listen, try to join today because then you can watch the tutorials. You can take your Sunday adjusting everything, creating your trading account or open your TradingView account, create your demo account, whatever it is. And then Monday, you can be with us on Discord, on the market, trading, making money, or at least you can start your first day on demo account until you figure it out, first, second day. But if you subscribe today, you still have a Sunday to watch the tutorials, create your TradingView account, put everything together. So Monday, you're going to be with us or trading or like demo trading, paper trading, just like watching what we are doing. All right. Now, Arthur, more questions.
Can we make money every single day?
Listen, we are making money every single day, but I can't promise that you are going to make money every single day. That would be wrong, especially because I just showed you that if you are following the strategy all the time, it's going to be some days that you're not going to make money. You're going to lose money. Like September, let's say September, first day you make money, second day you lost money, and then lost money, made money, break even, lost money again, break even again, lost money again, break even again, and then boom, make money, and made a lot of money. So I can't promise you that you are going to make money every single day. You probably will, okay? But I can't promise. But what I can tell you, if you stick with the strategy, if you have discipline, if you keep going, if you keep trading, you're going to be making money every single month. Then I can tell you, you're going to be making money every single month.
What percentage gains do you see a month?
Listen, all the numbers that I have, it's working with a $10,000 account, one mini contract. Now, I'm not telling you about percentage, right? I'm telling you about what I'm making here and what I see. I'm trading with $10,000, one mini contract, and I'm making an average $1,000 a day. That's average, about $20,000 a month. Some months I'm going to make 25, some other months I'm going to make 15, but in average, that would be $20,000 a month with one mini contract, all right? But again, I can't promise you that this is what you are going to make, but I can tell you that this is what we are making right now. I can show you on the strategy those results, and this is what's happening. This is what's happening right now. With $10,000 margin, trading with one mini contract, people are making around $20,000 a month in average.
If
Next.
my account is at $1,000, how much should I put on a single trade, and what amount should be traded per single signal?
If you have an account with $1,000, you should be trading with one mini contract. And that's actually with one mini contract, you're going to be making $2 per point. $2 per point. Now, Thursday, I remember that because my friend, he was trading and he made 170 points on Thursday. So you would be making $340 with 170 points on Thursday. But Thursday was a beautiful day. Like we are looking at something around 100 points a day. So with one mini contract, like you're going to be making around 200, 150, 250, something like that. But to be like more realistic, let's just think that with $1,000 and you are trading with one micro contract, which is going to pay you $2 per point, you're going to be making around $100 a day in average, because you're going to have good days, bad days. In average, in a month, you're going to be making $100 a day. All right. I'm just telling you that because I know I am accountable of everything that I'm saying. So I'm being very conservative, telling you that the average will be $100 a day. Okay, guys, come on.
Can you explain what a CFD is?
CFD is like you are not trading the futures contract. Like if you are in the United States, you're gonna trade in Nasdaq with futures contract. Like you're gonna have a micro contract, which is 2 Nasdaq contracts, or a mini contract, which is 20 Nasdaq contracts. So you already have the leverage there, right? This is like 1 micro, 2, 3, 4, 5, or a mini. Okay, so you already have the package done for you. Either you are trading with 2 or 4 or 8 up to 20, right? CFDs, this is something that you can trade outside the United States. You're going to be able to trade with like a half contract, like a tenth of a contract, 1 contract, 2 contracts, 20 contracts. You're going to be able to buy 1 contract here and let this trade goes, and then you're going to be able to sell another contract on the same chart. So you have way more features. Like it's easier for people to trade. It's better to make money. It's different, but like Americans, we can't do CFD, right? We only can do futures trade for Nasdaq, or like the real Nasdaq on your bank. But they trade, that would be futures trade. Americans, we can do futures trade. Everyone else in the world can do CFDs, which you can actually trade with way less money. You can trade with $100. You can trade with $500, and you have more leverage. So the thing is, you are not buying the contract, you are buying the control. When you are trading futures here in America, the control is going to cost you like more margin. If you are trading CFD outside America, to buy the control is going to cost you less margin. So with less money, you can leverage a little bit more and you can make a little bit more money. Although we don't do that. We always say to the people, like, you have $1,000, you trade enough to make $2 per point, because we know the market can go another direction, against another direction, and we know how to risk or how to deal with risk. So again, $1,000, you trade enough to make $2 per point, and we're gonna go after 100 points a day. Okay, that's it. But that's pretty much the difference between futures and CFD. It's the same market, same thing, but CFD, you have more leverage and you can trade with less money. Next question.
Why are you sharing this with everyone? Why don't you just make millions of dollars with this by yourself?
And why would I do that? Listen, I can trade with $50,000 and I can make $5,000 a day. That would give me $100,000 a month, which is a really, really good money. Now, I know that people will think, well, if you have that perfect system, why don't you do $1 million a month? Just because I want to live longer. If I'm going to get like $1 million account, and then I'm going to start trading with 100 contracts, and then if the trade comes on my direction, I'm going to make $100,000 in a day. If the trade comes against my direction, I'm going to be losing $100 a day. So the stress, it's very different to manage. Like, I'm losing $100,000 or I'm losing $1,000, right? So in my case, I have traders trading for me. I have traders trading in $20,000 account. I have a lot of different accounts, $20,000 here, $20,000 there, $20,000 there. Each trader trade with $20,000, so they don't have that pressure. Oh, I'm losing $1,000, I'm losing $2,000. So the emotions don't get into the thing, right? So we just get the results that we're supposed to get. I make about, in average, again, $1,000 per day in each account, because we have $20,000, but I trade as I had 10. We use the margin just like we had 10, just because I want to have some cushion. And that's it. Now, the way I think is, when I created this thing, is my $1 million is not going to come after trading. I'm not going to trade my way until $1 million, because by there, I'm not going to have any hair. I'm going to be like with high blood pressure and maybe in a hospital, right? My $1 million is when I help 1,000 people make $3,000, $5,000 a month. It's better. Like, I'm not going to lose all my hair. I still have something, but I'm not going to lose all my hair. I'm not going to go to the hospital. I'm not going to have a lot of pressure of losing $100,000 in a day. I'm not going to be that much worried about how much money I'm risking in every single trade, right? In other way, I'm going to have a lot of friends. I'm going to visit again a lot of countries. I'm going to meet a lot of people. I'm going to change a lot of lives, and I'm going to make some difference, and I'm going to still make $1 million the same way. It's just a different way to do it. I can do it myself, but the price I'm going to pay is not going to be so cheap. I'm going to risk a lot of my health. Or I can do the $1 million sharing and helping with other people, right? Now, my question for you is, if you have a way to make $5,000 a month, plug and play, right? What would you do? You would make $5,000 a day, or you would share this with 1,000 people and make millions of dollars, right? So since Builderall, since I started working with online and affiliates and other people, I always said, your $1 million is not going to come from you working really hard on your business. Your $1 million is going to come when you help 1,000 people to make money. For example, I had some affiliates in Builderall that made $1 million, but they made $1 million actually helping people to build their business online, right? So that's the best way to go. That's the best way to do. You're going to be happier, like life is going to be better, and you're going to have the same money on your account in the end of the month. So, all good. That's why I'm not trading my way to $1 million. I'm trading my way to $100,000 a month. This is more than enough for me, right? And the other $900,000 a month that I wanted, I'm going to make helping a lot of people to make $5,000, $10,000, $3,000 a month. Next.
If someone is working full-time all day, how would they be able to trade successfully?
I don't get it. Like, again, if someone is trading full-time the whole day.
No, if someone is working.
Working full-time the whole day and they don't have time to trade, I have bad news for you. Yeah, we don't have a bot. You have the control all the time. We are building a bot, but it's not ready yet. You have the control of the time. If you want to trade and if you want to make money, that's not a side hustle. That's a business. That's something that you have to face like a business. You have to work like a business, and it's going to pay you like a very good business. Now, you really want to do that, but you don't have the time. You buy the system, you create your TradingView account, you create your trading account, and then you hire someone to do the trades for you. You get your nephew and say, hey, man, come here. You see this thing. When you see a buy signal, you press this button. When you see a sell signal, you press this button. And in the end of the day, let's see what's going to make, right? So there is no other way. Someone has to be behind the screen, pressing the button, following the trades and everything. So if you can't do it, the only way for you is to hire someone to do it in your place. Next.
Can I trade from my laptop or phone while working? And what are the best times to trade?
My friend, like there is no best time to trade. We back tested this thing for 1 year. It's like, I can tell you the worst time to trade is during lunchtime. From 12 to 1 is the worst time to trade, right? And then every single time you're going to get almost the same results, all right? Not in 1 day, but if you back test during a whole year, you're going to see that the market's moving all the time. So let's say you're going to trade only in the afternoons. It's all right. You're going to get the same results. Proportionally, you're going to get the same results, all right? There was more on this question. How was the question again?
It was if I can work from my laptop and my phone.
All right, yeah. You can definitely work from your laptop. on your phone, it's not going to be so easy because you got to have the trading view screen to see the indicator. You got to have the analyst feed. You can minimize, and you're going to always hear a bling when you have the analyst saying something, so you can open and see what the analyst is saying. But you're going to have at least two screens, the screen that you are trading and the screen that you are following the signals. On your laptop, definitely. On your phone, you can trade on your phone, but you gotta have a screen to watch the signals. So the indicator. So for example, you can have your laptop watching the indicator, and then you can take the trade on your phone, for example. All right. But the best thing is to do in a computer.
The next one is, how much money can you make per day if you invest $100?
$100. It's really low, and for you to be able to trade on the semi proportions, because you gotta keep going. You're not gonna risk everything in one day, because if that day goes bad, you don't have money to try again tomorrow. So you have to work on the semi proportions that we are saying, and probably you're gonna make around $15 to $20 a day if you are trading with 100.
The next one is there any refunds, or is there like a 7-day trial to test it?
No, my friend, you don't have a 7 days to test it, because I'm giving you 1 year back test. I'm showing this thing is working every single day for 1 year. Why do you still need 7 days to test it? I can give you the back test for the next 7 days. You can call me next week and I can back test this next 7 days. I can send you the back test for the 7 days, and I can show you the thing works, right? So when you're telling me, is there any free trial or refunds? No, because it works, and like it works like anything else, right? And again, I'm making like $1,000 a day in each account on this thing that I have. I already have a lot of people trading and making a lot of money. So it's not going to change my results. I'm not on the convincing business. I'm not on the, I have to prove that my business work in each. I'm just doing business. I have something amazing. I have today the best online opportunity on the market. There is nothing better than that. I can make you make money Monday if you want it, and no one else can make that for you, right? And I can do it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and everywhere. So I know my product, I know what I'm selling, and I am just working with really serious people who actually want to do it, okay? So if you are already asking for a refund, I know you're not going to make it. You know what? Because take a look on September. I show you September. You had 130 trades breaking even, losing, making money, losing, making money, breaking even. Now, if you are asking me, do I have 7 days free trial? If we were talking about September, you would quit after 7 days, and you would be asking for a refund after 7 days. And I know you don't have what it takes, right? So if you are a serious guy, you're going to buy this thing and you're going to do it for a whole month. And then I promise you, if you are trading the indicator like we are trading the whole month, you're going to make money. And like we are talking about a lot of money here. So again, we know our product works. We have back tested this thing for 1 year. I am trading with this indicator for more than 6 months now. I had people working this week with a lot of money, and they made a lot of money as well. So everything works. I don't have to give you 7 days free trial to prove that my business works, because it only works and works great, right? But I can give you a back test for the next 7 days by the end of this week, right? And if you are buying, forget about refunds. And why is that? Because what if, I told you about the plateaus, and I am being very honest with you. What if you just started in the middle of a plateau, and you're going to have a very bad week? What's going to happen? You're going to ask for the refund, and that's it. It's done. You're going to go after something else. Like, Why don't you trade a whole month? Go after, like if we have go through a plateau, you're gonna go through a plateau with us. You're gonna make money, lose money, make money, lose money. But in the end of the month, because the market has to move, market's not gonna be stuck during a whole month. It's gonna move, and then when the market moves, we're gonna make our money, and we're gonna be profitable. All right. So again, I'm not on the convincing business. I am on the business to make money with serious people. All right. Next question.
Okay, so this guy said he traded before in 2009 to 2015 and he lost 200K. It's not for emotional people. What's the average success rate of the indicator? And if it's more controllable, yeah, that's it.
You lost $200,000, right? Welcome to the club. Like, I know you are hurt, and this is what's happening with everybody. And the only reason that I create a system like that, it's because I lost a lot of money too. I lost more than $200,000 until one day I said, you know what? It's gotta have a way to make money with this thing. It's gotta have a way. How are the banks trading? How are the institutional trading? And then I figured it out. Okay, they look what's happening behind the charts. And then I created the Quantico Cap strategy and the whole thing. Now we are making money. So I also lost a lot of money. So that's why I kept going and going and going until I figured out a way to make money with this. And the indicator, when you see the indicator work, you will see that we have a very, very good control of stop loss and everything. If you lost $200,000, just like I did, it's because you were not managing your stop loss very well. You were probably doing like leveraging more contracts when the price was coming against you. You were trading in a wrong way. So that's why you lost money, and that's why I lost money too. Now, with the indicator, the idea is you don't think, you only follow the indicator. Just like don't think. That you don't have to be a trader, and also it's actually better if you are not a trade, because don't think, don't let your emotional interfere, don't let your vision interfere. Just go after the signal and you're gonna make money. Now the other part of the question was how is the average success rate. As you can see on the back test, our success rate is around the indicators about good trades and bad trades. We are talking about 40% good trades, 40% good trades, and 60% bad trades. Now, in a bad trade, I'm gonna lose $200. In a good trade, I'm gonna make $400, right? So I make way more money on good trades than I lost on bad trades, right? So if that work, if this thing would work, even if I have like 10% good trades, but I make a lot of money on good trades, now we have 40% good trades, okay? So the success percentage of the indicator is 40%, but the success percentage of people using the indicator is 100%. Everybody who is using the indicator is making money. Next.
Do you recommend to trade every time we see a buy or sell signal?
Yes and no. If you are not sure of what the analyst is telling you, or how you are not sure in how to interpret what the analyst is telling you, you just buy and sell when the indicator tells you. But with 1 week or 2 weeks trading, you're going to be able to figure out what the analyst is telling you. So if the analyst is telling you it is an uptrend, we are going up strong, like the market is going to reach the target over there. So you don't take the sell signals, right? If the indicator tells you sell now, it's probably a pullback, and it's probably the end of a pullback. If you're gonna sell, you're gonna be stopped because the analyst is telling you it's time to buy, and then you only take the buy signals. But again, all the results that I showed you on the back testing is if you are taking all the signals, no matter what, you are trading in every single signal. So if you are trading in every single signal, you're gonna be profitable. But if you are trading with the indicator and also watching the analyst telling you this is an uptrend and you avoid the sell signals, you're going to beat the indicator, you're going to make more money, right? So it's up to you. You're not sure of he's talking about, you take all the trades. After a few times, you're going to be able to see that if he's telling you it's time to buy, you're just going to buy. If he's telling you it's time to sell, you're just going to sell. And then you're going to have less stops. You're going to make even more money.
What platform are affiliate commissions paid out from?
How we are paying the affiliate commissions? Listen,
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know if I got the question right, but we have our own affiliate system. As you know, I own it Builderall, so I have a lot of programmers and a huge team. So we were able to create the whole affiliate structure inside of the business. So we manage everything. But the payment we're gonna be doing through iPayout, if I'm not wrong.
The next one is, I live in Toronto, Canada. Would I have to convert my money to USA or would it be Canadian funds?
Canadian funds, you can open an account in a Canadian broker. You just find that broker in Canada, open your account, put your money there, and just trade in Canada. Doesn't matter.
The next one is there any repaint signals?
No, it's like real time, real time. You are with the screen on you are with the indicator on your screen. And then when you have a signal, you have the signal and boom, that's it. The signal is not gonna vanish like 1 minute later. Like when you have the signal, you can trust the signal and boom, that's it. There is no repaint.
So this is like a trend following indicator. In sideways markets, we lose a little money or make nothing, right?
In sideways market, you're always gonna lose money if you trade, right? Like a sideways market is a nightmare for any trader. But our analyst, he is really, really good. And when we have a sideways market, we're gonna know. He's going to tell us, hey, guys, right now we have a sideways market. So be careful. So you will know when the day is going to be sideways. Like it's amazing because this guy, the analyst, he's looking to options trade, he's looking to breaks, he's looking to a lot of things happening, and he's going to be able to say, hey, I see the market makers hedging their position on S&P 500 here, and also market makers hedging their positions on Nasdaq here. So I know the price is going to be stuck here on this range. Is going to be a sideways day or up to like 2 o'clock. So you will know that you have a sideways time or period. So it's up to you if you are going to take the trades or not. The problem is we never know it is sideways. So we always think, oh, now it's going to go up. And boom, it's going to come down because it is sideways. And then you stop and then the thing goes up again and you take the trade again and then that comes back again because it is sideways. But in our case, we're going to know that the market is going sideways and then we can think better before taking the trades. So we don't lose that much money. By the way, if you are trading Nasdaq, you saw that Wednesday we had a lot of sideways. Wednesday was a sideways day, and still we made money. We made more than $2,000 on Wednesday with one mini contract. It was a sideways day. Next.
Do you plan on setting up a Telegram for the signal?
No, the Telegram is going to work only for the long-term investors, right? Max and minimum. The signal is something that is going to be on your dashboard, is going to be on your screen. You have to keep watching the signal and getting the signal because up to like I have the signal on Telegram, you figure out to take the trade, you are already late. Okay. What we are doing is we are working in a solution so you're not going to need TradingView anymore. Very soon, you're not going to need TradingView. So don't buy the annual plan on TradingView because probably in the next 10 or 15 days, we're going to have everything on our dashboard. You're not going to need TradingView anymore, but you will have to be watching the charts on your dashboard.
Do we have to execute trade on MT4?
Do you have no like we can if you want to use MT4 or MT5, MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, you can do it. Like we have a lot of people using MetaTrade to trade, especially the CFDs. We have a lot of people in Europe trading. They are making a lot of money, all with CFDs and all using MetaTrader.
The fees for getting into trades for CFDs depends on the trading platforms. It's very expensive here in Portugal. Do you recommend any US platform or one with reduced trade fees?
Yes. In United States, I recommend tradovate or tradovate is the one that we are using, right? Tradovate. That's what we are using in the United States. Outside the United States, we are doing a partnership with 4XC. The name of the broker is 4, number 4, letter X and letter C. 4XC. Search online on Google, 4XC trade or 4XC, number 4, X like X, and C as Carlos, 4XC. That's a CFD broker. And we are doing a partnership. We're going to have a very, very low fee to trade with this company. I had a meeting with the CEO of this company this week. The guy is amazing, like really, really cool people. And then we closed this partnership. They are going to give us the best fees and the best everything. So it's going to be a better deal for us. 4XC if you are outside the United States, and tradovate if you are inside the United States.
How much can you make if you invest $300?
Good question, but let me fix this. You are not investing. Like I'm not saying that you are investing. Like I'm not asking for your money. You're not going to give me my money, your money, and you are not going to buy anything. Your $3,000 is just going to be in a broker account to give you margin to buy the control of some contracts. It's not going to be an investment. Like you can put the $3,000 today and you can get back your $3,000 like tomorrow, right? It's not an investment. The $3,000 is just going to be money that you are going to put on your account to give you margin to trade. It's like a capital for you to work, working capital. $3,000 is your working capital, okay? If you are trading with $3,000, you can trade with 3 micro contracts, and we're gonna go after for you about $300 a day. Remember that we don't have 30 days to work. We have 20 days to work. The financial market works about 22 days a month. So when I talk about $300 a day, we are not talking about $6,000, $90,000 a month. We are talking about 300 times 20 days, $6,000 a month if you have $3,000 margin. All right.
He asked $300. How much would he make if he
used 10 times less? $300, he's going to be making about $600 a month, something like that. Semi proportions.
Could you explain how much money is it worth if each point of the Nasdaq index moves in the chart in the mini and micro contracts?
Yes. When you see the NDX, Nasdaq, which is the real thing, right? NDX is Nasdaq, real Nasdaq. Every single point worth $1. Okay. So for example, Nasdaq right now, let's say is the value of Nasdaq is $15,000. Now, why Nasdaq worth $15,000? Because if you put together Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, Meta, NVIDIA, and those 100 companies that compose Nasdaq, the value of those 100 shares is going to come to $15,000. So if you put together those 100 companies and you get 1 share of each company, the sum of those shares is going to come to $15,000. All right, cool. Now that's why Nasdaq worth 15. Now, when you are trading NDX, you are trading this index. You are trading a basket with those 100 shares. Okay, so when NDX moves, 1 point, you are making $1. When NDX moves 100 points, you are making $100 because NDX is the pure thing. Now, if you are working with one micro contract, actually you are working with 2 shares of NDX. That's going to give you $2 per point. If you are working with 5 micro contracts, you are actually working with 10 shares of Nasdaq. It's going to give you $10 per point. If you are working with one mini contract, futures mini contract, one mini contract equals 20 shares of Nasdaq. You are going to be making $20 per point. Okay, so there is no, on futures, there is no one by one. One micro contract is $2 per point. And then you keep going. 2 micro contracts, $4 per point. 5 micro contracts, $10 per point. One mini contract, it's like 10 micro contracts. It means $20 per point. That's it.
Where is the link to register?
The same link you went for the webinar, quanticocap.com/webinar. You can go to this link and then you go back to the dashboard, or you can just go to quanticocap.com, click on members area. You're going to be already logged and you're going to be able to upgrade your account. Like probably you already have the dashboard on your browser, because when you click the button, you open the webinar on Zoom, but you still have that page there. You can just go back to that page, click the button, go back to dashboard, right? And then when you open the dashboard, you're going to see a big image telling you to upgrade your plan. And guys, let's do this. Let's upgrade your plan today. So Sunday, you have time to watch all the tutorials, register on TradingView, create your trading account. You can do everything on Sunday. And Monday, we're going to be working together. All right? I am excited. I guess you guys are excited. We have a lot of people, a lot of people making money like this week. It was a crazy week. And like we are very, all very excited about this product. All right? Okay, guys. Any more questions? Arthur, give me all the questions.
Yeah. What do you think about Interactive Brokers if I use it as my broker?
You can use Interactive Brokers. That's okay. No problem. If you already have accounts on Interactive Brokers or any other broker in the world, you can just keep going with the same account. It's all right. Doesn't matter.
The next one is, how much max drawdown can we expect following the system? 10 to 20% from our starting capital?
Listen, with a $10,000 account, after 1 year trading, during this 1 year, the max drawdown was $6,000. That was the max drawdown you had in 1 year. That's the best I can do, right? Telling you what happened. I can't tell you what's going to happen next week, but you always have control of how much stop you're going to take in 1 day. You always have control. You can always stop trading. You can always wait for the next day. If you are losing money, you can stop right there, and you can wait to trade only if the analyst tells you, hey, it's a strong buy, and then you go buy. Hey, it's a strong sell, and then you go sell. You can always stop, take a breath, and then only trade when you have the indicator and also the analyst saying the same thing. So you're going to get way more money that way, right? So you have the control. The indicator, after 1 year, the biggest drawdown was $6,000, but probably you were already making a lot of money before go back $6,000, right? But again, if it's going bad, and actually, Arthur, you can say this right now because you were the one doing. We backtested the day that we lost money on the indicator. And Arthur, he saw it, other indicators that we have, other tools that we have for the analyst, and he saw it that the analyst was getting the information that the market was sideways. So every time that you actually had a big drawdown, the market was going sideways. And the analyst was telling you, hey, the market is going sideways. So if you took the trade, you lost some money. But you have the information, the market is going sideways, so you don't trade, or you try to filter a little bit more. Right, Arthur? You remember that we did the test and we saw, okay, every day that's going bad, it's because the market is clearly sideways, and the analyst would be saying it is sideways, right?
Yes. Yes. Every single day that there was a really big drawdown, it was because of sideways days, and we would have the information to not take those trades.
Okay.
The last question here is do you recommend any brokers in the UK? And there's been a lot of questions about brokers in Europe.
Everything outside the United States, we're going to work with ForexC. ForexC. Search on Google, ForexC. It's a company, they are doing business for a lot of years, like they are doing business in many countries. I know the CEO, I spoke with the guy. He's a trustful guy. He has a lot of years in the industry, so he's not playing games. He's pretty serious. So we're gonna work with this company. Now, it doesn't mean that we have any like a benefit or not. Like you can choose any company you wanted, but we made a deal with ForexC that we would like recommend his company, and in exchange he gave us better fees or better spreads, let's say. So it's going to be cheaper for you to trade on ForexC than anyone else, but any other else. But you can choose, like it doesn't matter. You can choose anyone. If you are asking me which one's the best, I would say ForexC because of the fees. That's going to be very, very low. Guys, please, if you still have questions, please ask me your question. I'm here. I don't care. I can still be here for another hour. That's all right. Okay. And if you want to do this with us this week, go back to your dashboard, upgrade your account, and then you're going to be able to watch the tutorials. I'm still going to be working today, so I'm going to be here releasing the indicator for you guys because I have to do that manually. Once you buy, I'm going to receive your trading view name, and then I can give you access to the indicator. I'm going to be doing this today. So if you want to test this tomorrow, please do it today because I'm still going to work for a few more hours. I'm going to be in the front of the computer. Once you guys upgrade your plan, open your trading view account, you gave me your trading view username, then I can give you access to the indicator like today. And then you watch the tutorials, you make sure everything is working, and then boom, Monday we are working. All right. All right.
Next question is, when we talk about 1 year results, are you talking about the experience of real trading by you or based off of what the back test shows?
No, we are talking about everything that I'm showing you is the back test, right? Obviously, we are trading this strategy. We are making money with this strategy, but we didn't make all the trades. Like I don't trade the whole day. I trade every day. Like we make $1,000 in each account and stop. Like this week, we were working with a lot of people. We have the Discord group. Everybody's there. Everybody's sharing their results and everything. And I'm telling, like, hey guys, I'm still going. Hey guys, I just made $1,000 on my accounts. We are out. I'm done for the day. Goodbye. See you guys tomorrow. And that's it. But I still keep seeing people there. Hey, I'm still making another 400. Hey, I'm still making another 200. Oh, today I made $10,000. Like you can trade the whole day if you want it, right? But we trade up to $1,000 a day in every single account. If we make $1,000, we are good for the day. We stop. We don't keep trading because like that's the way that we manage our risk. Good money is money on your pocket. So if you get your goal, and our goal is $1,000 a day with our accounts, you get your goal, you stop trading. If you are going to keep trading, it's okay. You're going to keep making money, but that's not the way that we did. But again, the back test, I'm showing you how much money you would be making if you were trading the whole day during the whole year. That's the best scenario, right? You're not going to do that. I don't do that. Like I will tell you that we made like a quarter of this money in each account. with this strategy because we trade up to $1,000 a day. We had some days that that strategy made $5,000 in one day. And then we feel like, oh man, if we could keep trading, I would be making $5,000. But it's not the way that I manage my thing. You can trade up to like $5,000 a day. You can put more contracts. You can trade the whole day. It's up to you. The way I manage that, because you asked it how was on my main account, like it was $1,000 a day. Okay. And again, guys, we have the back test minute by minute, trade by trade. We have it there. This is working. This is what we have, and this is it. So it's pretty much like either you want to make a lot of money this week, or either you're not going to do anything. Like it's pretty simple. Again, we are not on the convincing business. We are starting this business. I want to bring 1,000 people to this business, right? That's what we want to do. We actually want to have 1,000 people making $1,000 a day. So can you imagine how big this could be? If I can have 1,000 people making $1,000 a day, we, the Quantico Cap company, is generate $1 million a day in profit for our users. So that's going to be huge. And this is what we are looking for. This is what we are doing. Now, you can be part of it. Like I answered all the questions. I showed you live the back testing. Like there is no way I can trade right now to show you because the market's not open. But we did that during this week with more than 100 people, and everybody's happy. So this is it. It's take it or leave it. Like what is the risk? I don't know. Put there $100. Open your trading account with $100, $1,000. Open your trading account with like $500 and start trading and give some time. You will see that you are going to make money. Like I can guarantee if you don't do anything today, tomorrow you're going to get the same results. I can guarantee this. But I also can guarantee if you take this opportunity today, you start working with us today, you're going to have a lot of fun on the Discord group. You're going to learn a lot about the market. You're going to make a lot of money, and I can guarantee your results will be different by the end of this month. I can guarantee your results will be different by the end of this month. But I am also guaranteeing that if you don't do anything, your results will be probably the same. That's all that I have to say. Arthur, tell me more questions.
Do you have the link for the 4XC so we can make savings?
I don't have the link, but I can try to find those guys right now. I guess it's just 4xc.com. That's it, 4xc.com. It can't be simpler than that. 4xc.com.
Okay, next one is any recommendations on USA brokers?
USA brokers, I would use tradovate. Trado, TRADOVATE.com. Tradovate. TRADOVATE.com. Arthur, you can write tradovate for this guy.
Okay. The next is, does it tell you how much to expect when a take profit or a stop loss?
No, it only tells you how much is going to be the stop loss. Let's say you just got a trade, buy signal, boom, buy right here. We know how much is going to be the stop because the stop is never the same. The stop depends, it changes as the graphic goes, right? So right now, your stop can be 10 points, 20 points, 30 points, 50 points. It's up, like, I don't know, depending on the market conditions, all right? So gave a signal, boom, buy now. Then you're going to see the stop will be 20 points. So you know that if you buy, the stop is going to be 20 points. What about the take profit? We never use take profit. We surf the trade as long as we can. So we have a trading stop. The thing, since it is a momentum strategy, we have like big moves. So buy now. Either it's going to stop or it's going to move a lot. and then it's going to move. When it's coming back, boom, it's going to give you the trading stop. And then you're going to have a sound like ping. It's time for you to stop. And then you're going to see in the screen, stop. Take profits. You're going to see in the screen, take profits, right? So we have trades that we made $2,000. We have trades that we made $100, right? So depending on the momentum thing.
Okay, the next 3 questions are about the Discord. The first one is, can you show the Discord channel?
To show the Discord channel, I can. Let me share my screen. That's actually really good. Let me share my screen with you guys here. Okay, probably you can see the whole thing right now, right? So I'm gonna put trading view here, and I'm gonna open Discord here. And let's go to the Discord channel. Okay, what do we have here? What do we have here? We have some interesting things here. People sharing the results. So let's see this guy. He made $163 on that trade. Now let's see. We're talking a lot. This guy, yes, took profit at the target. That was a great trade. He made all this thing here, right? Okay. More. $267 in a trade. Just follow the indicator, took the signal and stopped the trade by the exit signal, but should be a minus trade. All right. Let's see. We have more. The same guy made $5 because he's trading like really small. He's trading with $100, right? So he made just one trade, $5. It's all right. He's just starting. And then what else we have here? Okay, we have this guy. Let's open this thing. Oh God, he made $6,000 on this day, right? Right. Cool. Okay, that's nice. Let's see someone else. What is this? Okay, that's me teaching people. And okay, this guy, Noah, which is amazing because Noah never traded before. He never traded before. That was his first day, and he made $1,000. Listen, I really have to change the English here. Noah never traded in his life. On his first day, he's made $1,000. Just excited on the last buy. Calling it a day with real money. Erick Salgado, you are the man. $1,000, right? Okay. But we have this guy. He's actually trading. Like he knows what he's doing, but he's following the strategy. And this week, not this week, up to this day, he made it $25,000. $25,000 he's making with us on Nasdaq. US 100, you see there? There is no trick here. It is what it is. You can either believe or you can either just like go with your life. Nasdaq. This is the size of how much he is investing in each trade. 50, 50, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 50. And he made $25,000. And I guess that was about 3 days trading with us. Let's see. No, he's not writing here. Oh. My friends, don't miss this great opportunity that Erick is offering. It's real. $25,000 in 3 days. And you can see here, it's all Nasdaq. Shit, I'm good on this thing. All right, I guess this is the first day, 5,000. So that just that day. This is another guy, caught 3 good plays on my sim, but with the alerts not working, I'm missing potential opportunities, but I guess it's still missing some opportunities because it wasn't working so fine. He still made $700. All right. Okay. What else we have here? Let's see if we have more pictures. What is this? $700. What else? Well, we have some examples here. Okay. Yeah, this is me teaching people how to configure the sound, the alarm for the indicator. And we we have a lot of images here, really cool. Let me go more to Friday. Let's see if what else we have Friday here by the end of the day. I guess of the pictures, that was about that. The first hour, I'm putting $20 profit in a live account. However, I'm only trading at 10 cents per point. Come on, this guy's trading. I'm talking about $2 per point micro or $20 per point mini. He's trading 10 cents per point and he made $20 profit. If we were trading $10 per point, $2,000, blah, 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 and that's it. Next week, Erick Salgado, this is a game changer, my friend. So, guys, this is real people, real Discord channel, real guys here. A lot of people, like we're not talking about 10 people, 25 here, and then we have another 46 here, right? And they are trading. This other guy, Eduardo Garcia, he made $325,000 real money in a real account in this day, right? Now, this guy's cool. With $1,000 account and 0.5 micro contracts, he made $40 and 3% profit in one day, okay? But he's trading with half micro contracts, is not even one micro. With $1,000, he should be trading with one micro. He's trading with half micro, and he should be doing something around $80 if he was doing the right size. But I guess later he made more money. Let me see. What else here? Somehow mistaken. Oh, okay. So he was on his first day, so he made some mistake, but he made it back. Everything's good. People are still asking questions. And we're still chatting a lot. We talk a lot during the day. And what is this? Nasdaq, $10,000. I guess that was just one day. Yeah, that was just one day. That was yesterday, 20. You can see 20, 10, 23, 20, 10, 23, right? He's in Portugal. That's why he has this different time. Nasdaq, 10 contracts, $10,000. $10,000 in 2 trades this guy made on Friday. What you were doing Friday? What were you doing Friday? Did you made $10,000 this Friday? Yes or no? This guy made. He's working with us. Now you take your decision. Now, Don Corleone, again, that guy trading with $1,000, now he made $87 real money account, but he's trading with half micro contract. He should be doing $160 this Friday, right? And then what else? Here's someone putting all the trades that he did, right? What else? And here, hey guy, listen, this is crazy. This guy made $8,000 in a $10,000 account this week. So let's see. Profit, 8,000. You guys can read here. I think it's too small, right? That doesn't help much. But you can read here, $8,000. Now history. You have, he's always working with 0.25, okay? Here you have the time. Like you can see, he started trading on the 16, 17, 18, 20, 20, right? All the profit he made trade by trade. Now you can see it was all Nasdaq. It's all Nasdaq. There is no games here. We are just telling you what's happening, right? So Nasdaq. Sell. It was like down trading most of the times. Always the same number of contracts, and he made $8,000. And he had only $10,000. Now you tell me how in 1 week you can get $10,000 in a broker account, right? and then you use this money as capital, just like a working capital. 10,000. He didn't give me $10,000. It is on his account. That's $10,000 working capital, and he made $8,000 profit, and now he has $18,000. You please show me something better, then I'm gonna go with you on your opportunity. If you have something else that you can get $10,000 working capital, you follow the indicator, and by the end of the week you have $8,000, man, I'm gonna do business with you right now. So that's our Discord group. Let me keep doing like this, and boom, 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 and here we are talking, and that's Paulo. 4 days of work, $40,000. A great weekend for everybody, for everyone. I know he's going to have a great weekend, but this guy has $40,000 profit in his account during this week. That's the result. That's how much money he made trading 1 week with us on our system. And you can see it's all Nasdaq, and there he goes. All right. So that's the Discord account. And you asked me to show the Discord account because you wanted proof. And there you go. Here you have your proof that people are actually making money. Like, you can believe on the back testing that I showed you for 1 year. Now, you don't believe the back testing, even though it is what it is. You have every single trade there, like 5,000 trades, every single trade, every single loss, every single win. You should believe that thing, but you don't believe the back test. Believe what you saw here on the Discord, like real people sharing real profits. And we are not talking about little money. We are talking about a lot of money. All right. Okay, guys. Now, any other questions? I will be glad to answer any other questions if you have it.
Yes, there's a lot.
Oh, keep going.
The next one is the Discord only for paid members?
Yes, Discord for paid members.
Where do you get the Discord group link?
Once you pay, it's going to show you on your dashboard, just like this. I guess I showed you guys a few minutes before, but I can show it again. And what is it? Here we go. Share screen. Once you pay, once you activate your account, then you're going to go to your dashboard, and then you're going to see all this thing. And here you have a Discord channel. Just click here, and you're going to go to the Discord thing. All right. Okay. Now go back here. Discord channel. Stop sharing. There you go. Next.
So what's the amount percentage you put in each trade of your total money? So if I have $10,000 on the account, do I put that on each trade or just 10%, or how does it work?
No, the $10,000 is margin you have to work and hold. If we have a tough week, we're gonna lose money this week. We have to know that the $10,000 you have there is gonna be enough money to keep going next week, right? So you never risk everything. If you have $10,000, you probably are going to put $100 in risk in every trade you're gonna take.
The next one is, what are the additional costs to get started?
You're only gonna pay $200 for the indicator. Then you're gonna need a TradingView account, which is gonna cost you $14. And market data, you will have to buy market data on TradingView, which is gonna cost you about $90. We have everything on the tutorial. The tutorial is gonna explain everything. So it's pretty much the indicator, $200, TradingView account, $14, and market data, $90. This is right now. So just buy like monthly plan, because for the next few days, we're going to have everything inside our dashboard. We're not going to need TradingView anymore. So for the next few days, it's just going to be $200 a month, and that's it. You're going to have everything there.
Next up is, when I go through forexc.com, how do we set up to work through your system?
No, don't worry about that. Just open your account there and make sure your account is working. You are okay to trade, put your money and everything. and open your account, configure your account to be able to trade on Forex. So it's good. And then in another screen, you're going to have the indicator working on TradingView. So what you're going to do is you'll see the buy signal here. You press the button to buy there. So that's why you have to get two screens, the screen with the indicator and also the screen with where you're going to be trading. All right. So you don't have to connect anything. It's your trading account here, like pure your trading account, and the trading view here with the indicator. You see a buy signal here, you press buy there. That's it.
Are there any examples of people losing their money?
Unfortunately not. Like we had a very, very good week. Some people made some bad trades. We got some stops during this week. Like, for example, let me see, Thursday, the first trade was bad. We lost 45 points on Thursday. That would be about $1,000 if you are trading with 20 contracts, 1 mini. And then the second trade, we made about 200. The third trade, we lost another $1,000. So we lost money for a few moments. And then the fourth trade was really good. The number 5, 6, 7, then the rest of the day was all good. And we made a lot of money during the day. So that's why you have to be disciplined. You have to keep going. We lost money. We made a little money. We lost money. And then we made. It was all good. Like, we don't have people losing money in the end of the day. We have people losing money for a moment as we are still trading during the day. But they make the money back in the next trade, let's say.
The next one is, starting with only $1,000 on the account, how much could I be making a day?
About $100. You probably are going to make more, but I'm gonna tell you, with $1,000, you're gonna be making about $100. I just showed you the guy on Discord. His name is Don Corleone on Discord. He has a $1,000 account, and he made 86 euros on Friday, but he was trading with 0.5, and he should be trading with 1. He could be making 160, but $1,000 you can expect to make $100 a day.
The next one is, the ability to pull money out or reinvest is managed from what account? The TradingView or the broker?
The broker account. The broker account. The TradingView, the only thing that you are going to use TradingView is to see the indicator, and that's it, right? So, and right now, because later you're going to see the indicator on the dashboard. We are working on our technology to have everything working on our dashboard. So the TradingView, you only need to see the indicator. Everything else is on your broker. So you choose which broker you're going to use, where you're going to put your money, and you have control all the time. You want to withdraw the money tomorrow, you can withdraw the money. Like, I don't touch your money. Like, we don't even know how much money you have there, right? So it's all about you and your broker. TradingView is just to see the indicators.
The next one is, can I trade with Forexy if I'm based in Australia or any other part of the world?
Forexy probably is a broker, right?
Yes.
Yes, you can choose any broker. You can choose any broker as long as this broker has Nasdaq. You can trade in Nasdaq. Some brokers call US Tech 100, US 100, Nasdaq 100. Doesn't matter. It's all the same. As long as you have Nasdaq, you can trade. Now listen, what you are going to see on TradingView is NDX, is the real Nasdaq, right? Then on tradovate, I see a different price. For example, if NDX is 14,900, on TradingView is going to be 15,000, right? A little bit more. and on your broker is going to be 50,012. In the other CFD is going to be 14,800. It's going to be always very, very close. It's not going to be the same because you have some changes of price in different brokers, right? But doesn't mean anything. The charts move always the same way. You are going always to be making the same amount of money, no matter the final price of the thing. Okay, but again, no matter the broker you are working with, if you have Nasdaq or something like US Tech 100 or some market like connected to Nasdaq, same thing with a different name, is all good. You can trade it the same way.
Okay, the next one has a couple parts.
Okay,
so
let's do this.
He thought that you need, with a $10,000 account, one mini would be 3K, and you would need to put the 3K into every trade as risk. So he wants you to explain again the risk for every trade for the one mini and how to achieve the results with the 10K. That's the first part.
Wait, you are trading with 10K or 3K?
10K, but he thought that you would need to risk 3K every trade.
No. You got it wrong. You have $10,000. You're going to put this thing on your broker, right? And then you have $10,000 margin. That's going to be more than enough for you to trade one mini contract. With one mini contract, it's not something like, oh, I'm going to risk $1,000 on this trade. No. With one mini contract, you're going to have a buy signal, and then you're going to buy one contract, right? Now you are making $20 per point and you are losing $20 per point. Before you enter the trade, you're going to see the size of the stop. If you see the stop is 10 points, to take that trade, you're going to risk $200. Make sense? If I'm not explaining this right, because this is really important and actually is better than people think, Arthur, make sure you explain in a way that people can understand. One mini contract, you are making $20 per point, or you are losing $20 per point. Before entering the trade, you're going to see the size of the stop. So, for example, if you have a huge stop, I almost never have a stop of 50 points because the volatility is going crazy, and then you have a big stop for 50 points. You're going to know that if you take that trade and you're going to be stopped, you're going to lose $1,000. That's how much you are risking. You are risking always the size of the stop. Okay, and you're always going to have the size of the stop on your screen. So you don't have to take all the trades. You can, for example, only take trades that you have 25 points or less stop. So for example, if you're only going to do trades that the stop is lower than 25 points, you're going to be always risking less than 500, all right, per trade. So that's how the system is good. So let's say you are always risking $500 per trade. And with $10,000, 20 wrong trades, you are out. You are without money, right? So the system is so good that you never get 20 trades bad. Like the worst case scenario was $6,000 going down. And then boom, you made a lot of money afterwards. So you risk. How much you are going to risk per trade is up to you. You're going to know before taking the trade how much is going to be the risk, and it's up to you if you are going to take that trade or not. All right? It was clear, or you need to explain better?
No, I think that was good.
All right.
The other part is, what would be the average money you would make per day with the $10,000 account? What's the risk per trade and the average you can make?
Risk per trade, I just told you, like each trade is different, and in average, because of the volatility of Nasdaq those days, in average would be 20 points. That would be about $400 per trade in average. Most of the trades is less than that, right? That would be the risk per trade. How much money you can expect doing one mini contract all the time you can expect more than $1,000. In average, you can expect more than $1,000 a day in average. This is what we are making in real life here with our accounts.
Okay. And there's okay, another question. So he's asking how much would the indicator, the most the indicator would allow to lose, and how much it could win on a single trade.
On a single trade, no, you don't have how much you can lose in a single trade. You're gonna see. Let me open the screen. It's gonna be better. Let me share my screen with you guys, so I can actually show this on the indicator. Share screen, boom, and boom. Okay, now you guys can see my screen again, right? Let's take a look carefully on the indicator right here. Okay. So for example, you had this signal right here, a buy signal, it was right here, okay? Now you see the indicator is telling you it's 29 points stop, right? You have this signal and you have then the notification, $20, 20 points stop. So 20, sorry guys, almost 20, by 19. Let's talk about 20. 20 times 20 is $400. So if you take this trade right here and the market comes all the way down and it's going to stop you, we are going to be losing $400. If you take this trade right here and you know that the stop here would be $16, $16 times 20, that would be 320. So you know this trade, you are going to be risking $320, right? Okay, now what about the take profit? How much money you are going to make on this trade? So you have the trading stop here, right? So you took the trade here, it was good, money, came back to break even, money, and then it's coming back and boom, here is going to activate your trading stop. So here on this trade, for example, we made from here to here, you made 23 points. You made $460 on this trade, right? So this is how it works. So you never know how much money you're going to make, right? Let me see a good trade here. Let's say that, oh, shit, I don't have the whole section. I changed it for you guys. Let's put this thing back here. Okay, let's say we are taking, let me see this trade right here, right? Right here, boom. And then we had the indicator here telling me to sell, and he was telling me it's $19 stop. Again, almost $400 stop. All right, but man, it was a beautiful trade. It doesn't even give me a hard time. It was down, boom, 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 a little pullback, and boom, 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 boom. I didn't get the trading stop on this pullback because the strategy has all the technology to do well. But I get the trading stop on this one, and boom, I stopped it right here. It was probably the best time to stop it because it came back and the market closed right here. So it was like pretty much the best trade that I could be making on that time. So on this trade, I made another $440, right? 22 points, okay? And then on this day, I had a lot of good trades, like this one, boom, all the way here, right? This one I got stopped, for example. That was a bad trade. So you guys can see how it works. But listen, look at this one. This one was a bad trade. I had the sell signal here. It was a momentum, so I got some money. And here we have this, listen, that's very important. We have this green line here because the analyst was saying, hey guys, we're gonna have a pullback on the 14,603. When the price reaches 14,603, I know we have a lot of liquidity there. We have a lot of interest there. The price is going to pull back. Look how much this information values to you, right? So you got the trade here. You were very close to the targets and boom, 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 boom. If you are smart enough and you are looking to what the analyst is saying, and we are always going to be talking about that all the time on the Discord, you would stop this trade right here. You would put money on your pocket right here. But you didn't, so it came back and went back again, and then you had a good, a big pullback here, and you got stopped there. So let's say it didn't activate your trading stop here, and then you got the stop here. In that trade, if you are following the indicator, you would be losing 8 points. That means $160. That's how much money you lost on this trade, $860, right? But if you are working with us and you know that this price is going to bounce here, you would have taken the take profit here. So you see, before taking the trade, you will know how much points is going to be day stop, and you know how much money you are going to risk on this trade, right? In that case, you know that the price is going to come here because it's the target, right? And that was it. But before this trade, look at this. Before this trade, you had this one. You had this sell here. Boom. You sold here. And the price came all the way to the volatility lines. You can always stop on the volatility lines, but you didn't stop. So you will stop it on the trading stop. And you made on this trade probably, let me see how much money you made. Almost $500 on this trade, right? So this is it. This is how simple it is. You got a sell signal. Now you know that the stop on this trade will be about 26 points, almost a little bit more than, it's going to be $520. If you want to risk $520 to take this trade, you go it, and then you made another 500 and something on this trade. And then you're going to get another one, and then another one, and then another one, and it's all good. For example, this one's very interesting too. Listen, or look, you got the buy signal here. Again, it's a momentum strategy. You got the buy signal. Boom, buy now. You bought it. And you knew it that the stop would be 13 points. Like no big deal, $260 with a one mini contract. Boom, you bought it. The price came back. It didn't stop you. And then it went all the way. And you could be making a lot of money here, but it went back again, and you could be making a lot of money again, and then you got stopped on the trading stop. But from here to here, you still made some money. All right? Okay. Stop sharing. I got it was clear, right? Next.
There's no more questions here.
No more questions?
Not yet.
Okay. All right. Okay, guys. So this is it. Listen, I show you the back test. I told you that I created Builderall many years ago. I worked a lot. I built something huge. I sold the company. I made millions of dollars. I invested my money in technology. I hired Quantico programmers, mathematicians, engineers, analysts. I hired a whole team. We developed this strategy. We developed this thing. We are testing this strategy for like 1 year now, almost 1 year. Testing the strategy in real life and making better and better and better and better. Now it's good. It's close to perfection. And we are selling and we are bringing partners to trade with us on this strategy. Now, I showed you 1 year back testing. 1 year, everything happens in 1 year. We got like war. We got news. We got banks breaking. We got a lot of things happening in the United States. And still, we made like a lot of dollars, like $300,000 in 1 year, right? Now, you don't believe the back test? That's all right. I showed you the Discord group with real people, real results, and people making, like this guy had $10,000. He made $8,000 in 1 week. The other guy had a little bit more. He made $40,000. Some people made 100, some people made 200, some people made 3,000. And that goes like this. So you are watching this thing happening right now. People are actually making money. I don't control your money. I don't touch your money. Your money stays with you on your broker account. You only are going to risk what you want to risk. You don't have to start risking a lot. You can start with $100. You can start with $1,000. You can buy the indicator today, put $1,000 on your broker account, and you can start working with us on Monday. You can take like the Sunday to watch the tutorials, work with us on Monday. Tuesday, you're going to learn, you're going to figure it out. Wednesday, you're going to be trading and making money with us. In 1 week, probably you're already going to be making money. And then you're going to figure it out something like, oh man, come on, this is the best thing in the world. I can actually be here on my home, working on my computer, following the signals, talking with Erick and everyone else on this group. I can listen to the analyst. I can understand this whole thing, and I can just trade with the best Nasdaq signal in the world, like it is. And I can challenge you right now. I can give you $10,000. You can write this down. I can give you $10,000 if you find a better strategy on TradingView, something that you can backtest. If you came with any strategy that you can't backtest, you can't prove, right? But I can pay you right now $10,000 is a bet. If you can find a strategy that you can backtest and it's going to give you better results on real scenarios, just like I put there, start at 9:30, stop for lunch, start again, stop in the end of the day, like everything beautiful, working like real traders. I bet you're not gonna find anything better. So this is it. This is the real deal. You can actually like call the day, watch your Netflix, and that's it. Or you can decide this is Saturday. You have nothing to do today, probably. So upgrade your account, watch the tutorials, install the TradingView, install the indicator, take a look on the indicator. I know, I can guarantee you're not going to sleep. If you buy TradingView right now, if you buy right now, I can release your account right now. So buy the indicator right now, install the indicator on TradingView, watch the tutorials, and I can guarantee you're not going to be able to sleep. Sunday will be a busy day for you because you're going to learn everything. You're going to create your account. Monday, you're going to be trading with us, and you're going to see people making money on Discord, and you're going to see why they are making money. What are the trades that they are taking? You're going to see the buy signal on your screen. Probably you're not going to be able to trade yet because your account is going to be under approval, but you're going to see the buy signal on your screen. You're going to see people taking the signal. You're going to see people making money. You're going to be crazy because you're going to feel like, man, I could be doing this trade right now and make another $50, $100, $100 right now. So it is crazy because this thing is working, and it's working for me. It's working for my family, for my friends, for a lot of people who are working with me. We are making money and you are not. So let's change this. Let's keep making money, everybody together, and you also with us. Okay. It's only takes one decision. You can upgrade your account right now and you can change your whole life, right? I'm working with a lot of people that I know for my past business, and they are telling me the same message. Man, this is a game changer. This is going to change my life. And I bet it will, because it's changing mine, right? So it's up to you. Now, you go back to the dashboard. You don't know how to access the dashboard. Just click on the link that you receive on email with the webinar address. Click there. There is a button, back to the dashboard. You go back to the dashboard, you upgrade your account, and let's start working together. All right, guys, that was it. So thank you so much for being with me for 1 hour, in almost 3 hours here. I hope you guys have all your questions answered, and I hope to see you guys Monday on the Discord group, and let's make money together. All right. Thanks so much. Bye-bye. And that was it.